morning, students. I hope you all are well and taking the advantages of the video classes. Now, today we are going to start exercises. In the previous lecture, I explained you about Indian and international place value chart, and also we will learn about expanded form of any number and how to compare the numbers. So today I am going to teach you about the solutions of the exercises which is based on my previous explanation. So let's start with the exercise number 1.1. The question number 1 is read the following numbers. So with the help of Indian and international place value chart, we can read any type of number. So see here, the question number 1, A part is there, 23,999. But how can we read the number? With the help of Indian place value chart. And when we want to read this number in the international place value chart, this is also ones, tens and hundred. That is 1000 and 10,000. So this is the same number we can read in the Indian and international place value chart, 23,999. Now come to the question number 2, which is based on comparison of numbers. In the previous video, I tell you about the rules of comparison of numbers. So that is the question, compare the numbers and put the appropriate symbol which is less than, greater than and equal to. There are two questions. Number 1, 45251 dash 81320. So here you identify which number is the bigger or which number is the lesser number. So when we compare, this is first you have to account the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the second one, here also the 5-digit number. So we will compare the place value of the each number, start from left. So when we see the first one is there, it is 4 and that is 8. This is the 45,251 and it is 81,320 is. So which number is bigger? 81,320 is bigger than 45,251. Come to the B point. 10,024. And the second one is there, 10,204. So which one is the bigger? When we see the two numbers, starting two numbers are equal. But the third one, this is the 0 and this is the 2. So which one is the bigger? 2 is bigger than that. It means second number is bigger than the first one. Question number 3, it is a word problem. Now in this question there are two factories. Factory A has 99,009 employees and whereas in the factory B is 99,099 employees. So which factory has more number of employees? So what we have to find out in this question? Which factory has more number of employees? It means here we have to compare the numbers and then we identify which company has more number of employees. So now when we are going to solve any word problem, it should be a compulsory part that we have to write down the steps. Steps means here we have to write down what is given in the question. So now factory A has number of employees. How many are there? 99,009. And the factory B has number of employees, that is 99,099. So by the comparison, when we compare both the number of employees, so which one is there? 99,099 is bigger than 99,009. When we see starting three numbers are equal, but the fourth number is there, it is bigger. So the answer is there, factory B has more number of employees. Now here your exercise number 1.1 is completed. Come to the exercise number 1.2, which here you have to find out or you have to write down the predecessors and the successor of each of the numbers. Here in the exercise number 1.2, question number 1, what we have to find out? Write the predecessors and successor of each number of each of the number. So here let's take B part. In the A part only one number is there, that is 2. So B1 is there 24,530. What we have to find out? The predecessors and successor of the number. So when we are going to find out the predecessor and successor of the number, let me introduce about the predecessors and the successor. Predecessor means you have to write down the previous number, and for finding the predecessors of any number we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So how can we find out? Predecessor means here it is given number minus 1. What is the given number? 24,530 minus 1. So your answer is there 24,529. That is the predecessor of the given number. Now the successor of the number. For finding the successor of number, it is given number plus 1. So given number is there, that is 24,530 plus 1. So your answer is there 24,531. So let us see. Predecessor means this is the previous number and the successor means it is a after number. I hope you will understood. Now come to the question number 2. Write the given numbers write the number names of the following numbers in both Indian and international place value chart. Your question number 2 is there. Write the number names of the following numbers in both Indian and international place value system. So now here see, one example is there 135204. That is the question number 2, part A. So we have to write down these numbers in both the place value chart. So now first you will identify the place value of the places of the number according to the Indian place value chart. It is ones, tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. So how can we write down in number? Number name means you have to write down in the words. So what we write down? 1 lakh, 35,204. This is in the Indian place value chart. 2000, that is 5,204. This is the number name. Now one more is there. You have to write down these numbers in both the place value chart. So now here 135,204. Here this is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is 100,000. So what we write down in the international place value chart? We have to write down the number name. It is 135,000. That is 135,204. 204. In the B part, there is a number. In the P part, 9052020. Here, when we are going to solve B part, so now here, that is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is lakh and 10 lakh. So what we write down? This is the 90 lakh. Here, 90 lakh 52,020. In the Indian place value chart, we will write down here 90 lakh 52,000 20. We can write down here, this is the 52,020. Now, in the international place value chart, this is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is 100,000 and million. So, in the international place value chart, we can write down this is 9 million. It is a 9 million 52,000. It is a 9 million 52,020. That is 52,020. Now see one more question number 2. C part is there. Question number 2, one more part we have to see here. This is 5, 2, 1, 4, 7, 6, 8, 3. In this one, when we are going to write down in the Indian place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and that is crore. So what we write down? 5 crore, 21 lakh, 21 lakh, then 47,683. When we are going to write down in international place value chart, so we can write down the same number. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, then after it is 100,000, 1 million, and then 10 million. So we will write down here 52 million 147,683. 683. So question number 1 is over. Now see the question number 3. It is write the place value and face value of the number, and also you have to write down the given number in the expanded form. The question number 3 is here. It is A part. We have to find out the place value and face value of the underlined digit, and also we will write down in the expanded form. So let's see. 5, 7, 4, 9, 5, 7, 0, 2. Here two numbers are there, 7 and 9. See the sign. Both the numbers are underlined. So we have to find out the place value and face value of the number. Here place value means place value of 7. It is place value means after 7. How many numbers are there? Now see, this is the comma. It is given in the question, that is the comma. It is ones, tens and 100. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then 7 million and then 10 million. 1 million and then 10 million is there. So what is the place value? 7 after count the number of digits is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the face value of 7. It is the number itself. That is the number itself. And the one more number is there. Place value of 9. So place value of 9 is there. After how many numbers are there? 9 after. 4 numbers are there. So 4. That is 90,000. Then after we will find out the face value. Face value means this is the number itself. It is 9. And for finding the expanded form of the number, I already explained you about the expanded form of any number. This is the increased form, and in which we will write down the number as a sum of the place value of the each digit. So For the expanded form of these number, it is, we will write down the sum of place value of each number. 5 after you count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now put it here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the second one is there. 7 after. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after the 4, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then after 9, that is. Then 5 after 3. Then 7 after 2, and I told you that time 0 is not needed. If you write down, that is also right. If you don't write, then that is also right. So this is the question number 3, and there are 4 and 5 parts are there. When I will just provide you the notes, that time I give you the more solutions, and I hope you will understood. Okay. Now come to the next question. That is the question number 4. That is the question number 4. Question number 4 is there. Write the numbers corresponding to the following number names in the Indian place value system. In the question number 4, this is the opposite of the question number 2. In the question number 2, we will write down the number names. But in the question number 4, we will write down the numbers. Number names is already given there, and we have to write down the numbers. So in the question number 4, A part, write the numbers corresponding to the given number names. That is number A, 3 crore, 70 lakh, then after 40,000, 205, 205. So in the question number 4, it is a number name is given there, and you have to write down the numbers. So how can we write down? Look at here. When we see this is the crore and this is the crore, it means it is the Indian place value chart. So you just write down yes for the Indian place value. Crore, 10 lakh, then 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. See how many crores are there? 3. So in the place of crore, 3 is there. 70 lakh means here 70 lakh. Then 40,000. So 40 is here. 205. So your number name is there. 3 crore, 70 lakh, 40,205. Now see the B part. B part is the same part. Now next go through the D part. This is 67 lakh 4. It is 67 lakh 4. So how can we write down only 2 numbers are there? Now here let us see. This is the lakh. 67 is there. So 10 lakh, then 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. How many lakhs is there? 67. And then after only 4. So in between there are. Okay. So this is the answer. Now come to the last number question, that is the question number 5. In the question number 5, write the numbers corresponding to the following in the international place value chart. So in the international place value chart, look at here A point. Here 37 million. It is given there 37 million. Then after 50,000, 37 million 50,000, 205, 205. So when we are going to write down number, this is the number range. So what we write down, look at here, this is the million. It means it is a international place value chart. How many millions are there? 37. So here 10 million, 1 million, then 100,000, 10,000, then 1,000. Then this is 100 tens and 1. So 37 million. It is 37 million. Then 50,000, 205. So 50,000 is there. It means 100,000 is not there. Only 50,000 is there, and 50,000 50,205. So that is 50,200 no value means here 0. Okay. Now one more you see, C number is here 5,000,004. 5,000,004. What is there? 5,000,004. So now here 5,000,004, it means you will write down here according to the international place value chart. 5 million is here. This is the 10 million, 1 million, then 100,000, 10,000, then 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So only 5 million is there. There is no need to write on 10 million. So 5 is there. Then it is only 4. So ones is there 4. So you just write down. This is 5 million. Then only 4. I hope you will understood about the exercise number 1.2, and in the next video I am going to explain you about the exercise number 1.3 and 1.4. I hope it is clear to you how can we use the Indian and international place value chart to read and write the numbers, names, and also the number names we will convert in number. And do the study well and try to do all the questions one more time in your copies, and I will just provide the notes with the video. Thank you and have a nice day.